Hey guys, Joe the Handyman here on a Monday morning in February, first week of February. The Eagles won the Super Bowl last night. I'm a Giants fan, but you know what? I'm very happy the Eagles won. Just wanted to show you something this morning. I am working in it's actually a townhouse in Barnegat, New Jersey. And yeah, I know I need a haircut, but so this was a foreclosure, and a mortgage company that I work with had asked me to come in and basically get it ready for rent, not for sale. They're actually renting it. So what does that entail? It entails tearing up floors and just fixing walls and just, you know, everything that you could imagine that is required when you're getting something ready for a tenant. So there was an issue with the roof leaking. They took care of that, but that issue was left for so long by the previous owner that it resulted in mold. Okay, so I'm going to actually show you something where the mold remediation company came out and fixed it. So if you look here, you can see all this sheetrock that was torn down. And prior to this, this was literally just covered in black mold. And as you can see, the remediation company came in, they literally tore out everything, and they actually had to tear out the entire insulation system as well. And they did it in here too, in one of the bedrooms. And they sprayed their stuff, you know, the mold paint or whatever the hell it is. And so this was actually added on as a change order, which is going to obviously give me more work, which is a good thing. But one of the things I wanted to show you was, you know, sometimes mold can be hiding. And being that this was an issue with mold water coming in from upstairs, they didn't really think of what might be happening with the floors. So I'm tearing up some of the pergo laminate, and looky there. You can just see a ton of mold throughout this thing. Okay, concentrated right here in this area of the hallway, and you know, the floor's got a little bit of a slope down there towards the back, so you can see how it kind of transferred to the back. So from here down to here. And you might be saying, well, why am I not wearing a mask? I actually just took it off. All windows are open in here. There's a great breeze this morning, so for the couple of minutes it takes me to do this this video, I'm okay. So the purpose of me telling you about this is you know, where do I go from here? I'm not a mold remediation specialist. These guys are licensed in the state of New Jersey. I am not licensed for mold remediation, and so I will not be doing the remediation on this job. I will tear this out, which is fine. I've done that before. But the mortgage company is going to actually have to have their project manager come in and do a change order to add some remediation of this. Subfloor is in great condition. It's got a thin layer of mold on it. So the purposes of me telling you about this is, if you're out there, you know, doing this kind of work like I do, it's a very rewarding business, but don't be everything to everybody sometimes, because you don't want to get in a situation where A, you're compromising your own health, but B, and in my opinion, more importantly, you're compromising the health of your customer. Get it done right. Tell your customer, look, this is something that you need to get handled by some professional who does this and only this, and in the long run, it'll benefit you. So that's it. Joe the Handyman on a Monday morning after the Super Bowl. Have a good day, everybody.